Hey, what's going on? It's the Fat Kid Deuce here, and boy, do I got a treat for you. I just got back from Summer Camp 2019 with the fam, and after going through some of the video, I caught this little beautiful gem. I took my camera and I mounted it on top of my buddy Adam's head, and he very politely made his way to the front of the stage to catch some great visual of Borgore being Borgore. You know, and it was just like, you know, he's just saying please and thank you and being like, hey man, do you mind if I get to the front of the stage, dude? I just want to catch some great footage. And he did. So he's up there for a couple minutes. He caught this beautiful gem and then he came back, mission accomplished. So take a look. I mean, I think you're going to enjoy it.
Hey buddy.
So what'd y'all think? Pretty fucking cool, as my boy Adam would say. I mean, that's pretty sweet. And I just want to say thank you to Adam for going ahead and going out there and getting that footage like a winner. I mean, I'm not necessarily a person who likes to wait up to the front, but I really appreciate his efforts in going out there and grabbing a perspective that not everybody has. So, way to go, Adam. If you were at that show, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. That was one of the more fun Borgore shows I've ever seen. He was very, very polite and kind. We were too. It's amazing what some pleases and thank yous can do. If only we can get you kids to start picking up your fucking trash, we'll be on to something. Well, until next time, this is the Fat Kid Deuce. Peace.